This is the Kershaw Pub model 4036BLUX. So it's the pub in the blue colored handle. And they have got that blue just on the front, so it's going to be a steel on the back. So this is Kershaw and has teamed up with a Belarusian custom knife maker named Dimitry Sinkevich. So the new pub is really handy. They've made it in a black and also a carbon fiber, and now this blue, cobalt blue color, which I think people are really going to like this one. It's a manual opening style knife that's also going to have a bottle opener and a screwdriver in here. So as you see, the bottle opener is here, and then the screwdriver is just this little file here. As you can see, it's like a little edge. But if you push that in there, you're going to be able to open up some things. Again, just manual style opening. In the closed position, you're going to see the nice large oversized hole for any key attachments. And again, just open it up slightly to get your key in or into your belt loop, wherever you want to put your pub onto. That way this makes it really handy, and when it's closed you can still use your bottle opener or the little screwdriver, the slotted screwdriver there. Okay, so for some technical specs, we have very lightweight. This is only 1.9 ounces. This handle here is made of anodized aluminum on the front and steel on the back. Closed is 3.1 inches. Open it up manual style. For a blade, that is 1.6 inches. And it does have a stonewash finish. And it is made of 8 CR13 MOV steel. Open length is 4.5 inches. And again, you've got the bottle opener, screwdriver tip, which can also be used as a pry bar, and then the keychain attachment when you're closing it. Some nice jimping on the back for holding on during cutting use, and then there's your keychain attachment. So multiple uses in one small, nice, lightweight. The pub should be your next buddy you're ready to have on your belt loop as you go out to town. So grab the 4036BLUX.